you drivers out there, I have a question. Who likes doing their tax? Exactly, I knew that you all probably answered no. But what if I told you that there was an app that was going to save you time and money? You probably want to know all about it. Well, that's why I'm here today to talk to Mark to find out the ins and outs of the Driver's Tax app, which is going to save you time and money every year on that headache, which is your tax return.
My name's Mark Greenhalgh and I'm the founder and managing director. So Making Tax Digital is coming along, and Making Tax Digital for the self-employed. So the Driver's Tax app was developed specifically to help drivers, to give them a digital solution that would make their accounts far less expensive than it's about to become. I couldn't possibly have done this myself, so we needed to bring together a team. And that team was obviously accountants, an accountancy firm, which is Accountability Limited. We brought together an award-winning software developer. The Driver's Tax app was developed specifically for sole traders, self-employed professional drivers. So that covers taxi drivers, private hire drivers, ride share, delivery drivers, delivery riders, you know, like Deliveroo and Just Eats and whatever on a push bike or a motorbike, chauffeurs, driver instructors, and our subscribers are from all these sectors. And the more driver subscribers that we get, the less we charge for the monthly subscription. The problem the Driver's Tax app solves is when Making Tax Digital starts, it's going to be really expensive for sole traders, self-employed taxi drivers to submit quarterly returns and an annual statement and a normal annual tax return. So we expect that'll be around £900 a year, as opposed to using the app, which is £10 a month, and that won't change under Making Tax Digital. I was a taxi driver 35 years ago, and when we discovered that Making Tax Digital was coming along and how expensive that was going to become for drivers, because sole traders, rather than having to do one tax return a year, they were going to have to do basically 4, plus a crystallisation statement. And I knew that what accountants were charging then and what they're likely to charge under the new system, it was going to become so expensive. The Driver's Tax app was developed to create that digital solution, and always with, in the back of our mind, it had to be as simple to use as possible. The easiest way to explain why we developed it as a web app and not as a native app is native apps require and take up the space on your device, whereas a web app takes up no space on your device. For the Driver's Tax app to be HMRC recognised, a big achievement. Without it, we wouldn't have brought it to the market. It had to be HMRC recognised.
My name's Colin Davies. I'm a private hire driver. I've been doing private hire driving since 2008. So yeah, I've done plenty of tax returns. The Driver's Tax app saves me a lot of time. It's so simple, it's so easy. I can't really get that over and stress that enough that it's so easy and simple to use. I love saving money, and yeah, it certainly does. It saves me a couple £100 every year. It doesn't use any memory on the phone, so it's quick, it's simple. You've got a free trial, so what have you to lose just to try it out and give it a go? Take it and use it.
The Driver's Tax app is great. I use it to record all my earnings and expenses and expense receipts. Just a couple of clicks. What's not to like?
Hi there. I've used the Driver's Tax app now for about 2 years. In that time, it saved me a lot of stress, a lot of effort and a lot of time. It's also saved me about 360 quid in accountancy fees. I recommend it. It's a no-brainer.
www.thedriverstaxapp.com. But we'll help you to set the account up in the first place, and then once it's set up, enter your income, enter your expenses, submit to HMRC. Happy days. And you'll always know what your tax bill is going to be before you submit your tax return. Go to thedriverstaxapp.com and sign up.
So there you have it. That is the Driver's Tax app, an absolute no-brainer for all you drivers out there. And there's a free trial, so you can give it a go, and I have no doubt in my mind this is going to be the best thing that you found on the internet today. So make sure you're heading to that website, taking a look at that app and utilising that free trial.